Here's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, integrated navigation system, power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.